Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and this is a quick, very quick cooking video. My wife wanted nachos. It's our treat day, and she bought these corn tortillas, so she wanted to have nachos. And we completely forgot everything we needed, like the onions and the garlic and just pretty much everything. We pretty much forgot everything. So I'm going to improvise. So a easy, quick way is, of course, you got the hamburger and taco seasoning, and to give it that oniony flavor, I have this beefy onion soup mix. This is just the generic version. You can buy the Lipton, the name brand, but this one's just as good to me. And then I, of course, have my onion powder that I made for my garden over the summer, and then I have my pepper powder. So I'm not even going to chop up peppers or anything. I'm just going to use the powder because I don't have any fresh onions, and so I figure I might as well just see how this turns out. I'm sure it'll be fine. I've done it before. But yeah, it's just a quick, easy method in order to make up for the lack of having the garden, fresh garden ingredients to make this her treat day nachos for her. And I'm going to keep it keto for myself by using romaine hearts instead of using the tortillas. I do have a thing of sour cream in the refrigerator, and also have some salsa, and of course we got the cheese. So I should hopefully be able to whip something up. So this is gonna be a very brief Sunday cooking video. I'll do a longer one next week when I actually remember to buy the groceries that I need to make it. All right, so I'm gonna ground the hamburger. I'm gonna get the going with the seasoning, and then, like I said, put my garden onion powder and my garden pepper powder that I made in there, and of course, salt, pepper, and the seasonings. And then again, once again, one of the secrets to make it taste really good is to add the beefy onion soup mix to it. All right, I'm gonna get cracking on that, and then I will show you the results when I go to plate it up. All right, I'm back. So I've browned the hamburger with all the seasonings in it. My wife has a plate of nachos, grated cheese, we got the sour cream, and we got some salsa. So I'm gonna plate her up plate hers up, and then I'll plate mine up, and then I'll show you the the final result. Be right back. Make some nachos for my wife. Grab some cheese. Get out of my way, spoon. You can always melt this. You can always put this under the broiler and melt it on top if you want, but she doesn't want that. Give her some sour cream. She doesn't like as much sour cream as I do, but give her a dollop. Whoop. Off to the side. All right. And give her some salsa. She likes a lot more salsa than I like. All right, so that's hers. I'm gonna set that aside. And I'm gonna make mine. So hers has the tortilla chips that has carbs. Mine's going to be the keto version, the no carb version, which is just I simply take the romaine lettuce and use them as cups, little bowls, and I eat mine that way. And of course, I like a lot more meat than she does, so I'm going to pretty much put a spoonful in each one of these little cups. Again, this is a treat day, so I'm not really caring about the amount of fat or calories or anything. All right, I'm gonna grab myself some cheese. I like a lot of cheese on mine. Yeah, the nice thing about this is you can either eat it like a spoon or you can roll them up. I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream on each one. Get off. Why are you fighting me today, sour cream? Here. All right. And then a little bit of salsa for me. Yeah, too much. All right. So this was just a quick, easy treat day meal. And again, I forgot all the ingredients. I forgot all the onions and all the accoutrements that I would normally put with this meal. And you usually tend to make it from scratch, but today was a day to just show how quick and easy a throw together meal can be, and it's going to be delicious. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.